Just before I start the video, this is me on the current mic, and I just want to say that I've got the actual product wrong. The eBay listing said it was a HyperX Cloud 2 core, but in fact it's just a HyperX Cloud core. So please ignore all the Cloud 2s that I keep saying throughout the video.
Hello YouTube! Today I've got a HyperX Cloud 2 core. So these are the wireless versions of the HyperX Cloud 2s, I presume. It looks in immaculate condition. I think it's probably faulty from factory. It does not even look like it's been worn once. It's got all the original box, everything's all original in there. And the issue with this is no power. It's not turning on if I hold the power button, and if I get my USB-C cable from my bench power supply, plug it in, nice click, again no light or nothing. So I'm going to tear this apart, and I'm hoping that it's just the cable, something that's disconnected from factory. So yeah, let's crack it, let's get into it. Right, so looking into it right now, the speaker's connected. I'm just going to extend this wire, I think. Can I extend the wire? No, I can't extend this wire. I have no idea what they've done to that, but I'll make sure that doesn't come off. What I want to probably look at is this circuitry here. Oh, okay. Is that come out? There's a cable there. Does that come out? No, probably isn't properly, but let's have a look at that cable. That does look at, no, that shouldn't, yeah, let's have a look at that cable underneath. So it does look like the cable is fully in here. So I just disconnect it, push it back in. Actually, let's pull it out. Just do a few tests on here. There's not really much to do, but it might even be the battery side, which could either be behind this plate here or it could be in this side. I wouldn't have thought it would be in that side. So let's just check this one. I just want some sort of light or indication. So if I put my multimeter on continuity, and I'm just going to go around. Actually, let's first check this HDMI, port. No, that seems fine. It does seem soldered. I'll have a look under the microscope properly. So ground, and okay, that's fine on that side. These don't have, yeah, that's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Now the back side. It could just be a battery issue, you know, the battery might just not be able to charge, probably discharge too much. All seems fine there. Hang on a minute. I've just spotted something on this connector. I'm going to put you under the microscope because I can't even see it myself. So let's move you onto the microscope and let's see what I see. So this is the connector. I don't know if you guys can see it already. Let me focus it in. And there. Is that a bridge? Do you guys see it? It might not be. Oh, there's some flux at the end of my tweezer. Look, are these two bridged? I think that is. I think this is from factory, you know? Yeah, that's definitely bridged, isn't it? Whether or not it's supposed to be, I am not sure. Let me get my multimeter onto that and see if it is bridged. Yeah, that's 100% bridged. Right, so let's try and clear that then, shall we? Got my airflow set to Let's do 4 and temperature at 400. Hopefully I won't melt any connectors while doing this. It's right close to the other stuff. As long as I keep the heat moving, it should be okay. Let's get my bigger tweezers to grab it. I should speed up the process a little. Okay, sorry about the camera, it went out of focus. No idea if I've melted anything underneath it. I sincerely hope not. Yep, I can see you can see the bridge. I think that's probably normal actually. Yeah, that kind of looks normal. I may have just taken it off for no reason. But we'll clean it up and have a look, see if it is supposed to be bridged or not. Clean up the solder pads just there while the board's hot and see if that's supposed to be like that. Where it's directly in the middle, I think it might be, but it's worth a checking it. Huh. Not enough flux there. It looks like it's supposed to be there. Damn it. Well, worth a check, wasn't it? Ah, that's a shame. Okay, well, let's put that connector back on and I'll keep searching. I've put the connector back on now. It's all nice and straight, all soldered, solid. So I don't think there's anything wrong with this board then. So with this other board, do I take it out? This speaker is annoying me, but I really don't want to break it. I could unsolder it, but I think we'll be okay. How many wires are there? Looks like there's only 2. Some sort of weight there. Oh, that's the antenna. Okay, let's just undo it. Maybe it's the ribbon cable might be faulty. I just want to see a light. I'll check the battery power, and what I'll do is I'll force some power into the battery, plug it back in, and see if we get a light or anything. It was made in 2021, so it's quite an old headset now, but it looks brilliant condition for its age. Okay, well, let's take it out anyway. We'll have a look on the other side. And all looks fine from the other side, from what I can just about see. The battery, unfortunately, is in this one. That's annoying.
Jalapenos put on it.
No, thank you. So there's the battery, and it has got a BMS system on it, so let's test the voltage. Yeah, there's nothing in the battery. Force some voltage in there then. What is it? 3.7 volts. Okay. There you go, got 3.3 volts in the battery now. So I've woken the battery up and let's see if it's working now. So where's that other board? Damn it, I didn't see which way this goes in. Oh no, I think it was silver side up. Because we saw it from above, right? No, we saw it from... yeah, that way. So silver was that way, yeah. 100% this way. Alright, let's clamp down. Where's my USB-C charger? And do we get any lights? Any signs? Oh, yep, there we go. I think we sorted it. You see that? So what I'm going to do now is leave that to charge for a little bit, then I'll put it all back together and then we'll test it. I decided before I put it back together, I've just unplugged it. I'm going to see if it actually powers on. Ready? Press and hold. Any light? Yep, there you go. I think it's working. Well, that's a good sign, isn't it? So 100% turned on. Turn it off. I could hear a slight beep as well. So yeah, that's all good. I'll come back once it's all assembled together. And there you have it. It's all put back together now. Looking very, very new. There's no creases really in here. It looks all stretched and nice. Let's power it on. There you go, green light. I think pulsing just means it's looking for something. I don't know. Anything happens when I press that button? No, that's the mute mic button, but I haven't got the mic plugged in yet. Volume. See if it charges, if the green pulsing light changes. Still pulses green, but if we turn it off. Oh, I heard a beep then, and now it's gone to red. So I think that's considered it fixed. What I'm going to do is I'm going to record the sound quality of them on my PC and I'll include it in this video.
Testing, 1, 2. This is the microphone quality on the HyperX Cloud 2 Core wireless. By the looks of it on the screen, it looks like it's recording absolutely fine. The volumes work. The volume slider seems to be working great. I haven't tested anything else. Maybe the mute button. Let me see if I can find that. This one. Yep, you could tell it just muted then. If I go yeah. Anyway, you get the gist. But I think it's great. I think I haven't listened to it back yet. I'm gonna obviously listen to it and then maybe do a review on it. You never know. But yeah, well, thanks for watching, and please subscribe and like the video. Thank you.